Rồi đấy con.
Hello everybody, my name is Brian Scott, your host today. So today we will talk about lesson 10, rock and soil. And today we will talk about rock and soil, yes? So today, here you will discover different kinds of rock and soil. So today, here in two pictures you can see some rock here and here is some soil. Yes? And you know? So, here we have a sand. What is the sand? Is the sand. Here this, you can see a sand castle. Somebody has made this sand castle. It's very big. Right? So, it is a material that's come from rock.
Đủ rồi nhá.
There is a lot of sand on the beach. So, here we have a sand, yes? So, the sand is on the beach, isn't it? So, some people have made this, but no longer they will be washed away by the ocean, yes? You know? So this sand, so here we have clay. Clay is good. So clay is good for us, but not eat. We make clay. Clay is sticky and soft material from the earth. Yes. And the clay is very sticky. If you want to put some clay, if they sticky, just put your hand in the water so it will not be sticky. So here in these pictures, we have some, wow, these people is making a clay. Oh, is putting their tummy. They are putting out. Now, they are going to do what? They are going, ooh, they is doing like a vase. You put something like flowering. So you can put a flower in and just dry this clay so you can put a flower in. So your mommy and dad, our house is made out of clay, yes? And here we have a topsoil. Here, do you know what topsoil is? We have learned topsoil, yes? Topsoil is the soil nearest the surface of the ground. Topsoil is loose and soft. You can know that. Have you ever seen some soil? So just be careful if you want some tomatoes. Do not make the wind blow the topsoil away, or you might not have soil, so you cannot grow some tomatoes. Here we have a humus. Yeah? Humus. This is a substance made from dead plants and animals. Have you ever seen this like a worm? This looks like a worm and a humus. So a humus, it is soil. So here you can see that this worm is very small and is slimy. So don't eat the worm. So the worm is good for plant, not good for us. Plant is worm, or the worm will help the plant grow up. Like in lesson 1, we have talked about So today a humus. So let's go and talk about a granite. A granite. This is a very hard blue color rock. It's a granite, but it's a very dull color, right? So here, this is like a rock, not a granite. Yes. So this granite is very soft. It is a rock. So do not use this granite throw on the pool. So we'll set this is a countertop. So granite is a countertop. So here we have two of the verb. So here is the two last word. Yes. Build. Build means to make or to construct something. People build house and apartment. Here can you see this? Some of these people is up in a stair and they're building a house or some apartment. So here we have another word. Rough. Rough, yes? You know that we have talked about granite. A rock is rough. So here we have a picture of rock. And it's very rough, having a surface that is not even or smooth. It's very smooth, isn't it? It's smooth. It's not even or not smooth. This rock is not smooth. So yes, let's talk about two of these. Here we have two of the things that you can find in soil. Here we have rock, soil. So a rock is a hard, non-living things. Yes, that come from the earth. Or rock here. Some of these rocks are made of minerals. You know that in lesson 9 we'll talk about minerals. So minerals have gold, silver, and copper. Rock can have different shapes, size, and color. Some rocks are smooth and others rock are rough. So in here, these pictures, you can see lots of rock, and it's put down by some hammer. So this rock is very small, isn't it? So just be careful if you find some rock or some rock in a hill might fall down on your head and your head will split over. So here we have soil. Soil is the top layer of the earth. It is tiny pieces of rock. Here this soil, you can see it's a tiny rock. or some
Chị ơi em ơi.
from their plants or like some animals. And they all live in soil. So you'll be humans. Humans is the correct answer.
Cái nào cho chị cái thông báo cho chị lại sắp tới để chị còn cập nhật vào trong cái báo của chị. Nào của chị cái thông báo lại sắp.
So here we have a material that comes from rock.
Cái đấy của chị là
Is the topsoil or sand?
Ngày hôm nay là
Yes, sand. Sand is the correct answer. Sand is a material from a rock. If sometimes that is the sand, the rock will split open sometimes and they will turn into sand. The soil near the surface of the ground which is loose and soft. What is this? Oh, it's very easy. We have topsoil. Topsoil is in the ground, is off the ground and is loose and very soft. Soft. So here we have number 4, 5, and 6. A very hard blue color rock. Granite. Do you know what is this? Is it granite? Yes. Granite is a very hard and is a blue color of rock. Right? So let's go to number 5. A sticky and soft material from the earth. It is a clay. Yes, clay is very sticky. If you do not want to sticky, just put your hand in the water so it will be not sticky. And it's also soft too. Clay. Clay is the correct answer. So here we have number 6. To make or to construct something such as house and apartment. And construct all these like each other. So it will be built. That's why this is the why we choose build, because build is some make or some construction. So here we have building, pencil, and statue. So all these statues like some human. So sorry I skipped, but let's talk about building first. Here is buildings. It's made from limestone. This building is very big, like a castle. It's bigger, not because this TV is bigger than in a chair. And the wall that made from him, like him, is like also made from rock too. And this statue is from the marble. The marble is round, isn't it? It has to be round, not with all this. So, find these pictures, these statues in Washington, D.C. Here we have pictures of that. Wow! He's sitting on a chair. And here is made from some marble. And the great wall behind him is also made of some rock, isn't it? It's made from a rock. So all of your house is made of block or brick. So here we have choose the material for each picture. Here we have AB. So first we have a doll. It is doll made of sand. It is a sand. No. It will be. You will turn flat up. So what is this made of? B or C? So it might be C. B. Yes. B is the correct answer. This doll is made of B. It's made of clay, and it's have dry out, and it's hot. That we have anything to extract it. Only some hammers for extracting. Right? And that was shock. That. And here we have a building. I hope you choose lamp. If you see a humus, I don't want to go to a building, lots of humus, and eat like some wiggly worm. So it will be limestone. Let's go with number 3. Here we have this. What is this? Is this a graphite?
Anh nó quay bài.
Crack?
Số. Chạy lên.
Crack? Cracks in like something. Is the graphite? No, a stain. A stain will be right. Yeah. There are lots of sand on the papers, so we might be choose graphite. So let's go with some our straw falls. Right? So here we have topsoil is True. Just like on a beach or in the beach you dig on when you go in the beach. Right? So let's go back for some break. Yes. Đừng break tụi mẹ ơi.